Good morning, students. In discussing the short question answers for your exam, today I am going to discuss the story of Louis Pasteur. I have taught this story earlier and I have explained line by line to you, and I have given the question answers to you also. You have just not to read only the short question answers, because if you read the long question answers, it will build your base. Okay, it will help you to write the answers whatever may come. Okay, so first of all, read the story line by line, try to understand each and every line, and then learn the question answers which I have given to you. That will make the conception of the question and answers. And then I'm giving some hints of short questions and answers. You take your copy and write down the question while you are watching the video. In the course of watching the video, you have to write the questions, and you pause the video once, then write down the question, then again you start the video, then again watch. So in this way you can write all the questions which I am going to discuss with you. Okay, get it? Now let's start the story of Louis Pasteur. One day, more than 100 years ago, a French boy called Louis Pasteur was playing with his friends in Arbois, the little town that was his home. So first question, where did Louis Pasteur live? Where did Louis Pasteur live? Okay, so Louis Pasteur lived in France. He was a French boy, it is told here. Then the answer will be, he lived in France and he was playing in Arbois with his friends. So second question is, where Louis Pasteur was playing with his friends. Where Louis Pasteur was playing with his friends. Okay, now suddenly there came a sound of running feet and voices of people shouting. Voices of people shouting. Louis looked up. What has happened? He asked a man standing near him. So quote this line, what has happened, in your third question. What has happened, put a dash, then write who is the speaker. Next, someone has been beaten, said the man, by a mad dog, asked Louis. The man looked frightened. No, he said, not a dog, a wolf. A mad wolf came down from the mountains. So what was the incident? Next question should be, what was the incident that made Louis thoughtful about the disease. Okay, so next question, the man looked frightened. No, he said, not a dog, a wolf. A mad wolf came down from the mountains. Louis hurried home. A mad wolf. He too felt afraid and he was glad to reach the safety of the house. So why did Louis hurry to the home? Why did Louis hurry to the home? This is the next question. Okay, so he was afraid of the mad dog or the wolf. That is why he came running to his house. That is the answer. Now next, Louis hurried home. A mad wolf. He too felt afraid and he was glad to reach the safety of the house. The mad wolf was suffering from a disease called rabies. The mad wolf was suffering from a disease called rabies. So our next question would be, what was the disease from which the wolf was suffering? What was the disease from which the wolf was suffering? Then common in France, and the man who had been beaten would probably take the disease and suffer terribly and die. Louis did not forget that day, though he did not then know that later in his life he would discover a way of preventing the disease. When Louis left school, he trained himself as a scientist. So, next question. When Louis left school, what did he do? When Louis left school, what did he do? So the answer will be when Louis left school, he trained himself as a scientist. At first he worked at problems in chemistry, making discoveries for which he became famous. So the next question should be, what were his research work at first? Or tell the research work which Louis did in the first phase of his life. Next, soon he began to interest himself in such questions: what make wine and beer ferment? So next question should be, what was the question that made him interested in? Why do wine and beer sometimes go sour? And what sours milk? Come to the next page. He discovered that when milk, wine or beer sours, the change is bring about by the presence of certain bacteria, very tiny and simply living plant-like things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. So write down the next question. Why the milk gets sour? Why the milk gets sour? Okay. Pasteur was able to observe them through his microscope. He found that the bacteria that cause souring can be killed by heat. So, how the bacteria could be killed? How the bacteria could be killed? Okay, have you written it? Okay, I hope you have written it. Now, by raising the temperature a certain amount for a certain length of time. Heat treatment of wine, beer, milk, etc. is still carried out today. And in honor of Pasteur, it is known as pasteurization. So the next question, what is pasteurization? Or it may come in a different way. The process, the treatment of wine, beer, milk, the treatment of wine, beer, milk is called dash 1, 2, 3 like this MCQs, and the answer will be pasteurization. Next, we now know that pasteurization destroys not only bacteria that cause souring but also germs that cause disease to human being. So the process in which bacteria and the causes of souring could be removed from milk and wine is called what? Pasteurization. Got you? Next, another field in which Pasteur worked as a scientist was the study of disease germs. So what was the next question? What was the another field in which Pasteur worked as a scientist? Okay. Next, the germs of certain diseases are bacteria, but other diseases are caused by viruses, which are too small to be seen with the kind of microscope that was in use in Pasteur's time. Pasteur studied a number of animal diseases. One of these was anthrax. So the animal disease is called dash what? Okay. So the question may be like this also. What is anthrax? Okay. In two ways you got the question. The answer is very simple. The disease of animal is called Anthrax, a disease which can also affect man. A disease which occurs in animal body can also affect man. So what is that disease? This is also anthrax. So you got my point, that anything can become, either the question may be like this, or you have to answer like the you have to write that what is anthrax, like this. At that time, anthrax killed many sheep and cattle in France. Pasteur discovered how to grow anthrax bacteria that were much less powerful than those found in diseased animals. He showed by experiment that if animals were inoculated with the weakened bacteria and then infected with really powerful bacteria, they would not die. So no short question can be formed from here. Next, let's read Pasteur's idea of protecting people against disease by inoculating. Okay, so to protect people against disease is called, the process to protect people against disease is called what? What is that? So one of the option would be inoculating. Okay, and the question may come also like this: what is inoculating, right? Then they're inoculating them with much weakened bacteria or viruses. Nowadays, in some cases with dead bacteria, has been worked upon by other scientists, and today we can be inoculated against typhoid, diphtheria and other diseases. Okay, so let's go to the next page. But Pasteur himself had other great discoveries to make in this field, the most important being the discovery of how to prevent rabies. The most important discovery by Pasteur. Next question, most important discovery by Pasteur. What? There should be many, not many, 2 or 3 options, and one of them would be rabies. He had never forgotten the man in our boy who was bitten by the mad wolf. The germ that causes rabies is a virus, too small to be seen under an ordinary microscope. The disease may be taken by dogs, wolves, jackals, or animals and men. Next, Pasteur removed the infected parts of the rabbits suffering from rabies, and by treating these parts obtained the virus and weakened form. So where from Pasteur get the weakened virus? Next question, from where Pasteur got the weakened virus? With this he inoculated animals. Some he inoculated before causing them to be bitten or otherwise infected. Some he inoculated after they had received an injection of the rabies germs. In both cases, the animals remained healthy and did not develop the terrible symptoms of the disease. So far, Pasteur's patients had been animals, so there were no human patients then. He had not ventured to try his methods on human beings, for it was by no means certain that treatment. Okay, so no short question. Next, then on one day, the 6th of July 1885, a memorable day for Pasteur. So explain the incident of 6th July. Tell the incident of 6th July. A woman came to him in great distress. So you can write next question like this: a woman came to him in great distress. When? Put a dash, then write when. Okay. Save my son, she cried. Save him, sir. He has been bitten by a mad dog. He is covered with bites. So several bites he got. The boy had indeed been badly beaten, but even so, it was not absolutely certain that he could take the disease and die. That was Pasteur to do. So who was the first patient of rabies? Who was the first human patient of rabies to Pasteur? Okay. So who was the first human patient to patient of rabies to Pasteur. Okay, no questions. Next. He took the boy into his own home so as to watch him carefully and give him a series of inoculations. He waited anxiously to see what would happen. At last the danger period had passed. The boy was well and strong again. A method preventing rabies had been found. Okay. Pasteur's fame spread and he received honors from many countries. In 1888, the French government founded the Pasteur Institute in Paris. So, learn the date, learn the place, okay? So, when and where the Pasteur Institute was founded. Here, further experiments could be carried out and patients could go there to be treated. What has all this to do with India? Just as much as it has to do with the rest of the world. For India too has benefited from the discoveries made by the French scientists. Here in our country, the Pasteur Institute carries the work of preparing vaccines. So, what is the Pasteur Institute do in our country? What does the Pasteur Institute do in our country? So that is the last question here. Okay. So this kind of questions may come. You please learn this kind of questions and please learn line by line. You please learn the text line by line to answer short type of questions. Okay. So thank you for today.